Okay, on this episode of Dave's Cooking Show, we have a taco pasta casserole. And it's really, really simple to do and really delicious. All right, what you want to do, get 2 pounds of ground beef. You want to brown this son of a bitch up. And then you want to drain it, return it to the pan, and I'll show you the next step. After that, get yourself 2 packages of taco spice, whatever your favorite brand is, or 4 ounces of taco spice that you made yourself. And you want to dump these in there along with a 1.5 cups of water. Simmer till most of the water is gone. You might be left with kind of a sludgy liquid in there. You can redrain it or you can keep the liquid. It's basically entirely up to you. So this process takes roughly about 20 or so minutes. And at this point, you probably should have your pasta getting ready and also start preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, as you can see here in this pot, I've cooked 16 ounces worth of shells. Now, I would like to point out, because this is going to be in the oven for like 20 minutes, I basically took off, I can't remember what the package direction was, but whatever the al dente was, I took off 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Because remember, this is going to continue to cook in the oven. So you almost want to just like par cook the pasta so it's not overdone garbage when you get it out. Then you want to take that beef we were talking about, that spiced taco beef, and basically put that in there. And then you want to take a 15-ounce jar of salsa and put that in there. And again, you could make your own salsa, but this is really just a lazy dish for me. This is a real easy dish if you really don't want to do that much. Because, I mean, a lot of the stuff you can buy and it's just fine. Then grab yourself a spoon or paddle or whatever and stir this all around until it's mixed. But you better believe we're not done yet. Grab your trusty 9x13 glass baking dish and dump the entire contents in there. And then, spend some time leveling it off. Try to make sure everything's even so you don't have a bite of nothing but meat or nothing but pasta. Make sure everything's mixed, for God's sakes. For God's sakes. All right, as you can see, it's nice and leveled off. And now it's a time to add about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Again, you could add as little as a 1/2 cup, but well, fuck it. I like things cheesy. Cheese is delicious. Lastly, add a generous dusting of crunched up tortilla chips. This step is optional. If you don't want to do it, that's fine, but nice little dusting of some crunched up tortilla chips. And then pop this in the 400 degree oven that we were talking about for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you're going to be getting something like this. And I served it when I started carving it up for serving. I served it by drizzling some sour cream on top of it, a little bit of taco sauce, and it was good. So, taco pasta casserole. Done.